and it's really hard. So if somebody takes it apart, there's almost no chance of putting it back together, I'll just say. So I usually put them in boxes, but yeah, so I'm going to try to...
I remember the boxes.
Yeah, try to remember if I can get this together without
My hand's shaking.
yeah, so 1, 2, and 3 sort of go together this way, I think. And there's sort of a hole here. The other 3 parts are going to slide in there. They're sort of, you have to be sort of careful. These have a tendency to sort of fall apart while you're getting the other stuff ready. This one, they all have numbers on them. And the directions say, put it up this way, put this in there this way, and this one sort of in this way. But actually, the truth is, nobody in their right mind would ever put these 3 colors together and these 3 colors together and then decide to slide them in this way.
Sweet.
Isn't that sweet?
That is.
So that one's really hard.